Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you a way to make your entire user app and login API without coding even a single line. Well, we will be using Firebase Authentication and Postman to achieve this. It's going to be simple and straightforward. But yes, if you want to learn how to code your own sign up and login API, I am putting up a link on the top that has the entire video. So without wasting any more time, let's proceed with setting up our Firebase project. So go to your Google Chrome browser, and in this type this console firebase.google.com, and this will bring to you this particular screen, and go ahead and create a project. You can name the project whatever you want. In my case, I will be naming is as pro date if okay. And while you are doing it for the first time, there might be some checkboxes that you need to check in terms and condition you need to apply for, and click on continue. Definitely go ahead and set up these things. We don't need to change this. Continue, and you can use this default or you can create your new one as well, and we'll go ahead and create this project. So this will take a couple of seconds to create this project, and yeah, we'll wait for that time. So once you have created your project, you will see something like this of a screen. So just click on this web, or you can do is go to your project settings on the top and click on this particular icon, that is your web icon. For this video and purposes, what we will do is we will name it as my test application, my test web app. Okay, now we don't need to set up the Firebase hosting, so you will click on register. So it will take some seconds to register your application into their Firebase account and portal. Yeah, so now you can see that once registering, that you will be seeing over here a lot of keys being displayed to you. So mind you, and save all these things on your end in a secure file, because these keys are essential for the next part of it. So copy your API key from here and open up your Postman. I hope you have downloaded and set up your Postman as well, and go to your environments tab. So here I've created a new environment, that is my dev environment, and over here I have added the variable as API underscore key. I have kept it as secret, and I have copy pasted my key over here. So you need to follow this process. Now what you need to do is go to build, and over here you can see authentication. We'll go ahead for the authentication, and yes, get started. Click on get started. It will give a second, and choose from here. We will choose for email and password for this video, and yes, email and password enable. We will click on save. So now that we have enabled the email and password authentication process on our project, we will go ahead and test whether this thing is working or not. So in the Postman collection, I have created a few APIs, that is sign up and login. This is the URL directly provided by Firebase itself. If you want me to attach this link to the description, just tell in the comment section and I will send you a link personally of this entire Postman collection. And let's see. So in the in some of the previous steps we did is what we entered the API key in the variable over here, right? And what we will do is we'll pass the same API key with this syntax, like two curly braces in front and back. And now what we will do is we have created an email, that is user@email.com, and a password. Now this is the sign up API. Okay, so we will click send on it. Now you can see that it's a 200 response and we have signed up successfully. Let's check the same in the Firebase as well. So now you can see all the list of users that have been signed up onto your platform. So here you can see user has been added, user@email.com. Now we will check once and click on the sign up API again. Well, of course it shows an error, that is the email exists 400 error, right? So this is a really perfect version of the sign up that we want right now. And we'll go ahead and check the login also. And what we will do is we'll put the same username, at email.com, and password as the password, and this is sign in with password method of it. Now we'll click on send, and yes, so this has signed up as, sorry, this has logged in as well. and we have gotten the response, and we have gotten the ID token. So this ID token is really crucial for the next steps or the next videos, as this is equivalent to the JWT token as well that you have learned, and this will be passed in the header in all the APIs as a security aspect, and this is very secure and will help the application be more secure as well. So let's check out one thing. Let's change the password also a bit and check this API. So yes, it definitely shows that this is the invalid login credentials. So now that we have created the entire user authentication system, the next step will be to make a create user API, which collects all the data from the user and saves it to the DB. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated for the upcoming videos. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and do give it a thumbs up. And feel free to comment if you are stuck anywhere. So see you in the next video, and happy coding.